of my security having been withdrawn is a very unfortunate situation, and I am not as worried about it as I'm worried about the falsehoods that are being spread about it. There's no way I could have arranged for disruption of Machade, and I dare say there were no such arrangements. People with malicious intentions wanted to lie to the powers that are that there are disruptions so they can be given money to counter those disruptions. We'll have Uhuru. Uhuru is very popular in Kisii. So those who are spreading this falsehood that for the president to come to Kisii to do Machade, we have to arrest 7 innocent people who were not even charged. They were released because there were no charges. It's very unfortunate. And I appeal to the security agencies to do proper investigations and know where these rumors were coming from. Otherwise, it's an embarrassment.